This is the Nilfisk Core 140 power control, and this is the Nilfisk Core 140 in-hand power control. Both of these machines have the same performance, but there are a couple of differences. The Core 140 power control will allow you to adjust the pressure at the dial on the machine, and the Core 140 in-hand power control will allow you to adjust the pressure via Bluetooth on the lance. The Core 140 is the flagship model in the range, and this model boasts two variations to suit your needs. The power control features a 6-metre hose, and the in-hand power control features an 8-metre hose, and what makes the Core 140 even better is the hose reel for even more practical storage. Both machines boast a maximum 140 bar pressure and a maximum flow rate of 474 litres an hour. So let's take a look at everything that comes with the Core 140. This pressure washer comes with a chemical bottle, 2 nozzles, one for light cleaning and one for heavy duty use. You also get a high quality lance with a swivel function, plus attachable wheels and handles. The Core 140 power control and the in-hand power control will both easily be able to tackle tasks such as car cleaning and patio cleaning. But that's not all. You can take your cleaning to the next level with a whole range of accessories that fit onto the entire Core range. And these can be found by visiting Cleanstore.co.uk.